Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to layer vitamin C and niacinamide. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry before applying any serums. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, brightens skin and protects against environmental damage. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps reduce redness and minimize pores. Combining them correctly can enhance your skin's overall appearance and health. The general rule is to apply products from thinnest to thickest consistency. Since vitamin C serums are often thinner and work best at a lower pH, apply it first. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes to fully absorb and for your skin's pH to return to normal. Then, you can follow with your niacinamide serum, which typically works well at a higher pH. While many people can use both ingredients, some might experience mild irritation if applied too quickly. If you have sensitive skin, consider using vitamin C in your morning routine and niacinamide at night. This separation allows each ingredient to work independently without potential interaction. Always patch test new products to ensure compatibility with your skin type. To truly maximize the benefits of your skincare routine, always finish your morning regimen with a good moisturizer and a broad-spectrum sunscreen. This protects your skin from UV damage and locks in the active ingredients. Remember, consistent use over several weeks is essential to see noticeable results. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.